So here we have a Mazda 3 hatchback. It have a check engine light from Catalytic Converter. What we did, we pulled the O2 sensor from the upper side of the catalytic converter. You can see how dirty is the O2 sensor. So to be sure if the chemical our product gonna work on it, I need to be sure first the cat is not cracked or broken or melted from inside. So I brought this boroscopy camera. I'm going to inspect the catalytic converter. Let me do it this way. So I'm going inside here. I need to check corn. So it looks, for me it's good, no crack, nothing. I just want to be sure before I start the process to put the O2 sensor back and warm the car a little bit. The product reacts better on the carbon to dissolve it when the vehicle is warm. I don't need to tight this. Just wanna make sure. Then I'm going to start it up. Check engine light on. So I'm going to show you as well on the OBD, on the scan tool, the code. So let me grab my scan tool. Okay, so I hooked the scanner here, check the codes, and here I'm showing codes found. It's one, read codes, pending, what? Catalytic converter. This is the P0421. Well, here pending codes. So what I'm going to do now, after I warm it up, we're gonna start this is the product here. This is a kit, a repair kit, which this product goes into the gas tank. We need to be sure we have between 12 to 15 gallons of fuel. We need to be sure about the ratio to mix it. And this one, it's a foam. We're gonna inject it inside the O2 sensor port. So I shake the can well because it's a foam. So, and put this nozzle on, and I'm going to spray it here to clean as well the O2 sensor. See the foam coming up. Okay, so this should be enough, and I'm going to dip the O2 sensor inside. to clean the auto sensor as well. So I'm gonna put it here on the side. There, okay. Now I'm going to give me a hand, just hold this for me. Get it close to the port. So I'm going to get it inside. So the vehicle needs to be warm, not hot, just warm. Okay, so this can is supposed to treat 2 cats, so the O2 sensor is out. You can see how dirty.
That's biodegradable, huh?
Yeah, see how dirty. Make it, and we're going to clean it a little bit before we put it back. I'm gonna put this back now. Now, gas tank. I'm gonna put this OxyCat cleaner. And now we're gonna take the vehicle for a highway drive for 40 minutes. Every few minutes they recommend to punch the car on open roads just to clean, for better cleaning. Okay, so here John, he came back from the drive. We're gonna put the scanner again, check. Here we go. Control. Okay, codes found 0. Read codes. Codes, nothing. Ending codes, nothing. Okay, so we saved the catalytic converter on this Mazda 3, so the customer is happy. This is the important part. And no check engine light. Let's start it up. Check engine light showing on. Okay, so OxyCat Auto Profi saved the day.